Take a ride in the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, cargo bed light, LED, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice activated navigation system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.